Can I ask you something? Why are you excited having picture with His Excellency?
Yeah, because we don't wish for him to be the president of Nigeria, so I think the country will be good.
Yes, now.
Oh yeah?
Of course.
Yeah, so
The whole of us wishes that.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So I want to say something. You might just we say with research, we say humanity. So can you just say mentors echo with research, we say humanity. What is to say mentors and we will echo with research, we say humanity. Say mentors. Yes. So mentors.
As you can see, we are at Ogu in the Enugu State, coming out from the Catholic Hospital Ogu. As we came out of the junction, Akukwa Junction, Mbo, immediately the people noticed that it is His Excellency. Everywhere started echoing OBI. Akukwa Junction, Mbo in Ogu, local government. His Excellency is loved organically. You can't take it away from him. Remember this, he is your incoming president.
We support him.
Right?
We support him right away.
2023 general elections, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. Let's clap, let's clap, let's clap. Let's clap, let's clap, let's clap. Let's clap. Let's clap, let's clap. All right, please, can we settle down?
Abi.